we have
Is that the picture I took?
polka music section.
No, this is the parade.
Oh, that's the parade?
Read about what's happening and where the people meet. Read the Apple Eagle.
This way I could give Ricky Lee a quick plug.
The Apple Eagle is the voice of Western New York's Polish American community, delivered to your door or available at over 75 locations throughout Western New York. There's polka news, articles about Poland and Polonia, recipes, a calendar of events, and articles about our heritage. Serving the community for over 45 years. For subscription rates, call the Apple Eagle at 835-9454. When you read our paper from the front page to the end, you'll have information to share with all your friends. News about our heritage filled with Polish pride. News and views and recipes are what you find inside. In the Apple Eagle, why don't you subscribe?
This article was in there. Ricky Lee Watson actually came with his son Justin and marched in the Pulaski Day Parade. That's the song that you heard earlier in the show. And if you come, Jerry, the next show, Ashley Vaquero is going to be one of our performers, August 25th. It's a celebration of Matt Urban's birthday in front of the Rat Building, in front of the monument in front of the Rat Building. So you'll catch all that. Now enough of that, because I want to hear, and I'm sure you're going to want to hear, what's Jerry, if you've never heard him before, what's Jerry Ralston, Willie Orbison all about? So let's hear him.